Hey guys, what's up everyone? It's Drew here back in another video. Today we are here to try this again, and then we're gonna try the last two flavor Takis. The last two flavor Takis. We finally got a salsa. I need to give you guys hear about the new flavor, Xplosion. Oh yeah, cheese and chili pepper. So let's see. This one is very hot. Didn't say. I think this one's very hot too. Hot sauce corn snake. Well, this came out first, so we're gonna eat this. So it's a big bag. Smells like salsa. Smells like the guacamole. It smells like the guacamole chips. Okay.
Cheers.
No.
The second time.
No.
Third time.
No. Fine.
Cheers.
Eat it. Pretty good. It's not bad.
It's not good.
What?
It's in the middle.
I think that's my second favorite now. It's actually really good.
I remember my brother liked zombie.
Yeah.
That was nasty.
We gave the zombie to him because we don't want it. We gave it to his brother. It's his favorite. He likes it better than Fuego. And then the new flavor, Xplosion. Cheddar cheese chips. Whoa.
Oh, they're orange.
Yeah. That smells like cheese.
Cheetos.
See that? Orange. That's a lot of cheese.
That is.
That's a lot of cheese. Too much cheese.
Talk about a cheesy chip.
Tastes like there's too much cheese. There's nothing. Very hot. Very hot. Ha ha ha.
I feel it settling in my throat.
It's more mild than guacamole. That's not hot at all. It's just a lot of cheese. It's not too good.
I mean, this one doesn't say new.
Just a lot of what?
This one doesn't say new.
It's not new. Okay, so this one's sauce is better than Xplosion. Xplosion, I guess, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not pretty good. It's not good, but it's not bad. It's just a lot of cheese. It says cheese and chili pepper, but there's no chili pepper. It's just cheese. So, yeah.
That's how they get you.
That's better. But nothing beats Fuego. Nothing is worse than zombie. Wow.
I need to talk to him about zombie.
Bye guys. Evil Box 312. Subscribe. And now we're gonna go eat some ice cream.